Hello and welcome to Learning Excel 2016. My name is Mike Henry and this is the first video from Chapter 6. In this video we're going to learn one of the newer concepts of Excel, which is taking multiple worksheets. Then we're going to take those multiple worksheets and we're going to put grouping to them. And when we group them, we're going to see how we can use formulas across multiple worksheets quickly and efficiently. We're going to see how we can take and format one worksheet and have it go through to all the worksheets and make them all look the same. So we're really talking about being very productive here. So you can see we've got rental income data here, and we've got it for all 4 quarters. I'm right here on quarter 1, as you can see the tab down here, which is showing January, February, and March. Now obviously quarter 2 moves to the months of that quarter, May through June. Now I want you to notice over here it starts at Child Care Center and it works way down. It's the same for all 4 quarters, the same categories, and only the months are changing and obviously the numbers. Now we've got a really nice setup here, but unfortunately we're missing the totals for each of the categories like child care, and we're missing the totals for the months, and of course the big total, the one for the entire quarter. Now we could go in and type total and put in all the formulas for this one, move on to quarter 2 and then quarter 3 and do each of those. But that would make it very inefficient. We would be doing the same thing over and over again. So what we're going to learn here is how to group and make things happen really quickly, and productivity is going to be key here. So I click on quarter 1. You can see quarter 1 is active because it's got the green line. These ones over here are not active. If I click on quarter 3, you can see it gets the green line and now it's the active one. Quarter 1 is no longer active. So I click on the first sheet that I want, quarter 1. I hold down my shift key and then I click on quarter 4. Now all 4 of those sheets have the green line underneath, and if we look up here on the title bar you can see where it says group. So these have all been grouped together, meaning if I do something to one, it happens the same way on all 4. Let's check that out. I'm going to put in here the word total and I hit enter. I click over here on quarter 2, I can see total is there. If I click here and type total in and hit enter, you can see that on quarter 3, quarter 4, and even backwards, quarter 1 all has total. So it doesn't matter which sheet I'm on. Most of the time people will stay on the same sheet and work their way right straight through. But now what we can do is work efficiently. We do it once, it happens to all 4 sheets. Now right here, these all would be formulas adding up sideways. So I highlight each of those and I hit my easy button or auto sum, and you can see that that is totaling up sideways for me. I can just double click on any one of these formulas and show you the editing. Okay. By clicking here and highlighting these, I hit my easy button again. And look at that, I am totaling upwards. If I click here and double click, you can see it's totaling up. So very quickly and efficiently I've now added in all of the things that I needed to add in to finish off these 4 sheets. Now the other thing I need to do is I need to make them look good. Right now they don't look that good. This up here, I want it to look just like on the documentation sheet. So you can see on the documentation sheet I've got this look of the Courier New. It's size 14 with some different color. Notice now that I clicked on documentation, these are no longer grouped. The only sheet that's active right now is documentation. If I click back on quarter 1, it's active, but I have to hold my shift key down and click on 4 to get them all active again. Now that I've got all 4 active again, I can come up here and I can come here and say I want a Courier New, and I change that to a size 14. And now that I've got those 2, I can come here and I am going to change the color on this one. I'm supposed to go to this color right here, and you can see I've got that. Now I do need to maybe bold this out, and then the last thing I need to do is I need to take this and do a merge and center. As a matter of fact, this set here needs to be merged and centered. Alright, now quickly merging and centering, you can see that quarter 2 has the same kind of look and feel that the others do. These right here, we're going to be bolded, and these ones down this side, also were bolded. Here with numbers, we would put our commas in, and they only wanted 0 decimal places, so we do this, decrease. And I think the last thing is these were supposed to be centered, so I can click there. So you can see very quickly, efficiently, I've been able to go through, drop in my formulas, drop in new words, and I was able to format. In this video, we took a look at grouping worksheets. We grouped the quarter 1 through quarter 4, and we were able to write formulas. We, in this case, used the easy button for these first formulas, and we were able to drop those in across all 4 simultaneously. After that, we did some basic formatting. We did some more complex formatting. So we did colors, we did bolding, centering, we did merge and center, and we did some number formatting and removing decimal places. So very quickly and efficiently, we were able to do one worksheet, but have it go to all 4 simultaneously, saving us a tremendous amount of time and energy.